what's up? How are the winters going? Yeah, it's too cold. Christmas is arriving, and winter season you have few really great vegetables like radish, cauliflower, green peas, red carrot. So to enjoy all these dishes, you can enjoy few recipes I'm uploading, like radish recipe. You must have eaten radish parantha, but never eaten a different recipe. Just see, I have radish with me, a lovely radish with the root and the stem, lovely stem. You can see even the flowers here, radish flowers. Luckily I have got this from market, so you can just see. So today we are going to make with radish and radish leaves curry. So let's start the process. We'll just pluck these leaves, not the flowers, only the leaves. Leaves you can use in this dish. You can use even spinach. So you can use these leaves. If you are not able to find radish leaves, you can add even spinach. So now what we'll be doing is, I have grated radish, one radish, few leaves of radish and few spinach. Go green, eat green, be healthy. So radish leaves are very healthy. Please do not throw them away. So we are going to add leaves, greens. Then you have one radish too. You can add even two. It depends upon you. So how many fritters you are going to? We are going to make fritters. So first we are going to make fritters. Add 2 ladles of gram flour. It will be approximately to 4 spoons. If we need more, we will just add it more. First what we'll be doing is, we will add carom seeds, a quarter spoon of carom seeds, because radish is hard to digest. So now what we'll be doing is adding half a spoon of salt to it. And first we're not going to add water to it, because radish has water of its own. So now we will try to make fritters. If we need water, we shall add. So I'll be adding one more ladle of gram flour. One more ladle, that will be around 2 spoons more. You have to just check if the fritters are ready. So need not add water to it first at the beginning. So if you need, you can just add just 2 spoons of water to it. That's it. You should always taste the salt. Yeah, salt is correct. No need to add more of salt. So we'll make fritters. Let's start with the process. So let us check whether the oil is hot or not. Yes, it is hot. Yeah, bubbling up. Now we can start our fritters. We will add. So yeah, they are done. Right color. We shall take them. You can serve as a snacks too. This can be served. You can have tea party with this if your friends are coming. So now we are going to make a process of this fritters curry. Radish fritters curry. So it's very yummy. Winter seasons, you can have this with your regular roti and all this. So let us start. For that we'll be needing few things. For grinding, I'll be taking a small spoon, you can say, of fenugreek seeds. Then I'll be using 1 big spoon of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds will go very well with radish. They are the best combinations. So now I'll be adding a 3/4 spoon of black pepper. Be adding a small spoon of mustard seeds too, because mustard again will give a nice flavor to this dish. What you can do is you can just store this masala in fridge also. So now I'll be using a spoon of fennel seeds. So all this together, and I'll be adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste to it. We shall add few cloves to it, 5 to 6 cloves. Then a small stick of cinnamon. That's it. We'll have a nice paste of it. Just see, it is grinded coarsely, not very fine but coarsely. What you can very not fine at all. So it's coarse. You can just keep it in you can store it in your fridge. And now what you can do is actually you can add this into your radish fritters too. It will give an extra taste. So what I'll be doing is I will go along with the process. But if you store it in the fridge, you can add it to any of your fritters or any curry will do. It will give an extra yummy taste. Now let us add 1 big ladle of oil to it. Spoon of cumin seeds. Bay leaf. One big and 1 small onion, a cup of onions cut finely. I'll be adding into this. Now when the onions are brown in color, you can add this masala. We have grinded this masala with sesame seeds, black pepper, cumin, mustard. So all this ginger garlic also have added to this. So now what you can do is add this into and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can add 2 tomatoes in tomato puree into this. Dry masala, you can store it in the fridge and you can add it to your gravies or masala or vegetables. It will give an extra yummy taste. We shall add 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, less than 1/2 spoon of salt to it. Always add very little salt in the beginning, and at the later when you're tasting it, you can just add. Once if you add extra salt to it, your dish will get spoiled. So always keep tasting. That's a basic tip for kids. Now you can add a little coriander to this. It is up to your choice. Sometimes you can add fenugreek, methi into this. You can add coriander. It will give it different flavors. So try all the flavors. Now we can add water to this. It depends upon how much gravy you want. Just add 2.5 cups of water to this. Let it boil. We'll just take a little more. Let it boil. We'll close the lid so that it cooks fast. So let us check. Yeah, it is boiling. So now what we can do, just give stir. I always keep telling, taste the food before you serve, and this is the time when you can really taste it. My God, those masalas, what we have done, cinnamon and really sesame seeds, mustard, wow, it's really tasty. I think so. Once again, you can try out with this so many things. You can add potatoes or so many things. Really tasty, and the salt is correct. So now this can be served as snacks, and let me taste one. We'll add this into this. Need not cook for a very long time because they'll get soggy. We'll close the lid for 5 to 8 minutes. That's it. So our thing is getting cooked. So while it is cooking, let us start with the snacks break. This is behind the scenes what we do. We have snacks in between. So let us enjoy the radish fritters. So got heated from the microwave now. So you can see hot, yummy. So this is for my videographer and for me. And our tea is ready. Hot, yummy ginger tea, masala tea. So let us enjoy. This is what we do, what to do in the break. I don't know why you want curry. By the time curry is ready, believe me, half of your radish fritters will be done. Winter season means you have to cook extra fritters. Just enjoy. I am enjoying. Ginger tea. Wow, one must definitely have in winter seasons. Winter season with ginger tea and fritters. It is not necessary that you have to have cauliflower, potato, brinjal fritters. You can try something new, that is radish fritters. Believe me, yummy. Add some greens to it. Go green, eat green, be healthy. So I to cannot resist. Enjoying the tea. You also can enjoy winters. Have a great time. Cook fritter curry and have fritters. Isn't it tempting? It is. If it is tempting, please do like, share and subscribe. Many more yummy dishes and totally different recipes. See, we are not going to upload the same old regular recipes. Something different. Radish in season. Please just cook it for 5 minutes and do not move. Your fritters might break because they are so tender. Enjoy this. That's it. This is the semi gravy we needed. You can have with rice, roti, or whatever you like. So I don't think so we needed nothing extra to decorate it because it has everything. It has greens, it has coriander, masala. So it's already so pretty to look. And let's see the fritters. Just see. Wow. They are so soft. So enjoy these fritters, curry, radish fritter curry. It's totally different. Make your day special day having something really different. Keep watching my videos and enjoy the exclusive dishes. Make your day a pleasant day. Have a great time. Enjoy this dish and we will serve in the same pot. Close the lid. It remains hot and direct to the dining table. Always eat fresh. Go green. Eat green. Be healthy. Use mask. Still the time has come, use mask again and do not go out of home unless very necessary. Instead you can enjoy yummy dishes watching my videos. My name is Rajni Sharma Madan. See you in my next video.